Alright Mr. Donplay, take a one more step from that control or bullets in your Brian.
Hello, yes, I need to come in the server room now, it's urgent.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
I was going to tell you that one agent we sent on a mission was killed.
Who?
Agent Donplay.
No, 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 no. How could this happen to Agent Donplay?
What brings you agents here? Now I understand.
Understand what? No. How can this happen to Mr. Donplay? Oh, 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 oh. Mr. Donplay is dead, right? But how is he dead?
He been shot by takers of a control panel which nobody should go close to. I mean, no agent should go close to it, because if they go close to, paper says something could happen.
What could happen?
I don't know, but it says no agent should go close to that panel or something could happen if they go close, so that's why Mr. Donplay got shot from getting too close.
To the control panel, right?
Yes. Hello, okay, I will send my agents out to the prison room, okay? Agents, head out to the prison area now. I said now. I said now. It's going to be okay, Cam. I hope everything is going to be okay. Alright, I hope we think of something. No, I didn't mean it like that. Huh. Man ever killed Agent Donplay need to be dead.
Those prisoners are beating themselves up. Please, we need some guys to break them up, please. I repeat, help. Hello. Those prisoners are beating themselves up. Please, we need some guys to break.
Yeah, now guys, we can get out since we made other prisoners gotten outraged, so let's go.
Oh, not so fast, you won't. You three scumbirds.
Oh. Crap, we're fudging busted.
Oh yes, you are busted. Alright. Oh yes, you are busted. Alright.
Amsy.
Yes.
Are you sure this is the right location where Agent Don Play was killed?
Yes, this is the right location where Agent Don Play was killed by getting close to a panel that nobody should go to.
But why can't anyone go close to it, the panel?
Why can't anyone go close to it?
Is it dangerous or something?
Hey Samank. What did I tell you for going in my conversations, you conversation interrupter?
I wasn't in your conservation sales, and how dare you call me a conservation interrupter?
Because I don't like people like you disrupting my conservation, so for that I'm going to beat your ass, you damn. Like ass symbolic conservation interrupter.
OH, 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 OH. Sals, how dare you call me a conservation like ass? Like that's it, I'm going to beat or kick your ass.
Then bring it, you mother freaking fucking interrupter bitch.
That does it. I'm totally going for the saying and calling me names, Sals, you bish.
Okay sir, I'm going to the place, but would I if it's the panel I'm looking for? I mean, what does the panel look like?
Looks like this, okay.
Okay, I will contact you when I find this panel, okay?
But look out for guards and be careful, okay?
Okay, I am going in sir, I will tell you if I find the panel, okay? Alright sir, I found the panel sir, so what is the code for this panel to unlock?
I'm not sure, but one of my assistants found a note letter that has a code on it. Alright, the code is 31,517. Bad, got it.
Okay. I got it sir, okay, I will evidence if I'm done cracking this panel, okay?
Alright, freeze Missy from keeping away from the control panel.
Who said that?
Alright, now Missy, step away from the control panel or nobody gets hurt. Don't let me pull this trigger, so get the fuck back away from the panel.
Say again, slut.
Yeah. What Sal said. You heard.
What, who said that?
Think again, mister.
It's just two kids in stealth suits and are so stupid.
How pathetic. Hey kids, do you need a bottle or playtime, a bicycle, or try and kill us with weak moves like hopscotch?
So yeah, go ahead, laugh all you how small we are, but the thing is you don't know us in the kind of way, so listen, keep talking your shitty petty mouths or I will yank them. So yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, what Samank said, you losers.